Bright bricks is a popular window hanging pattern, and today I'm going to tell you all about it. Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, pojagi, and embroidery. So if you're looking for an easy beginner window hanging pattern, then Bright Bricks is one of the ones that I recommend. Bright Bricks is a window hanging pattern made with reversible pojagi patchwork seams. Because of these seams, when it's in a window and the light shines through, it looks like stained glass. Even though it looks like it, there is no black fabric involved. The stained glass effect comes from the pojagi seam technique. Batik fabric is recommended for this pattern, but you can use any fabric that you have on hand. This pattern comes with two size options. The small size is 16 inches by 22 inches and the large size is 28 inches by 36 inches. So be sure to measure your window so that you know which size you want. These can be used individually and they can also be used in pairs. Each window hanging has a neutral fabric that is used at the top and the bottom, and then the inner part is made with 5 different fabrics. You can use a fabric collection or you can choose your own fabrics. This pattern includes full instructions with diagrams and pictures and links to video tutorials. You can find a digital download version of this pattern in my shop, so look below for the link for that, or if you prefer a paper version, ask for it at your favorite quilt shop.